What's the meaning of cash bar? Cash bar. Cash bar.
Cash bar. Cash bar. A cash bar refers to a type of bar service where guests pay for their own drinks instead of having them included in the event's ticket price. Guests are typically expected to use cash or credit cards to purchase their beverages, and prices are set according to the bar's regular rates. Cash bars can be more cost-effective for event organizers, but they may also limit guests' consumption due to the added expense. Additionally, some attendees may perceive cash bars as being less hospitable or generous than open bars, which offer unlimited complimentary beverages.